Greetings, good morning. I am Christia Cummings-Slack, and I was guided this morning to bring through this message from the Sisters and Brotherhood of the Light, your intergalactic, multidimensional sisters and brothers of the light, to bring through this message. So here we go. This is from the Star Soul family of light to our earthly sisters and brothers of the light. I pulled 3 cards because they were very adamant. So, Sisterhood, Brotherhood, Release, Forgiveness. Greetings, dearest sisters and brothers of the light. We come forth this day in great honor of your awakening light. Dear ones, we want you to know that we are your sisters and brothers of the light and in the light. We encourage you to release your preconceived notions of what you believe to be true of yourselves and open to the possibilities of who and what you truly are. We ask that you begin the journey of forgiveness of the heart. There is deep healing on all levels through all dimensions across time in the act of forgiveness. It can save planets and has across the galaxy. Dear ones, we will be coming through now more often as this channel of light allows us. For we are eager for you all to know that we are here and we are assisting you now at this momentous time on your planet. We will not be led away by anything. We are here to stay. We are here to walk with you hand in hand. We are your sisters and brothers of the heart. Aho. And so now I bring through live channeling of sound frequencies, and here we go. I hear, I hear, I hear, I hear. Oh, hey, I hear. Oh, hey, I hear. Oh, hear. Oh, I hear. Oh, oh, Greetings, dear ones, for we are your brothers and sisters of the light. We come through now this live channel. Do you know that she is allowing us to come through her physical form? And we are very grateful for this. We come through the sound frequencies to help awaken your sleeping DNA. For you, dear ones, you are the magnificent ones. You have been taught that you are not, but you are the magnificent ones of light. And we wait no longer to come through for you. We beam our heart light to all of you now, through the eyes, through the sound, through the heart. We ask that you just receive the love and light and support. For now, receive and know that as you release old past pain, old past hurt, grudges, when you let go of your self-judgments, more of your light can come in. More of your heart can be beamed out to others on your planet. For you are ambassadors of the light, whether you believe this fact or not. You are, and we are here to remind you, it is time, it is time, it is time to be the light that you already are. You already are. You are light in action. Ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, hey, oh, thank you. Thank you for letting me bring these messages through. Thank you. It is my honor to be a channel of the highest love and light and unconditional love. I will be allowing more live channelings. It's new, and it's exciting. Many, many blessings. Much love. I am Christia, Cummings-Slack. You can learn more about me or schedule a session with me at ChristiaCummings.com. If you'd like your own Star Soul Family of Light message, I do now have them available for purchase. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Much love.